Do you know why Shatawale is loved by many? And do you know why his fans love him so much? It's because he understands his fans and also he motivates his fans. He makes sure that he gets close to his fans and also make sure that his fans are very comfortable. Yes, so guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on that TV. As always, if you are new here, can you subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime we drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Yeah, so today's gossip is not more like a gossip or it's more or less like a motivation or let me say, an inspiration. Yeah, so Shatawale actually sent words of inspiration to his fans and also to people out there. I mean, irrespective of whether you are his fan or not, he just wants to, encourage people going through trials and tribulation, also people who are thinking that they can never make it in life. And this is what he wrote, or this is what he tweeted on Twitter. Yeah, so Shatawale took to his Twitter and he said, "Patience is a very key indicator of success. Don't be worried about what others are doing, thinking you're not gonna make it. Just follow your path, do your best, leave the rest to destiny, and see what Jah will do in your life." Yes, so Shatawale is motivating his fans, saying that hey, no matter what you're going through in life, never give up, never ever give up. And Shatawale, as I said, he himself is a living testimony of trials. Like, he has been through a lot and look at where he is now. So he always wants to use himself as an example, okay, to his fans, that hey, no matter what you're going through in life, don't forget that everything will be. You just have to be patient. And patience, they say, is a very, very, very solid virtue. Yeah, so be patient. Anything you are going through, be patient. Don't think that hey, it's gonna be or it's gonna last forever. No, times change. Therefore, just stick to the course and also believe in God. God is the ultimate being. Therefore, if you believe in God and you put everything in his care or in his trust and you work hard at it, why not? You're going to make it. Yes, like I said, it's not really an entertainment gossip, but it's more or less like a motivation or an inspiration that Shatawale is actually giving out to his fans. Therefore, I decided to also share with you, my lovely subscribers. So don't forget to also follow me on all social media platforms at udate.gt. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.